Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make a stand in Please Donate in PC using Roblox. So it's pretty simple. So you need to download Roblox app. You cannot do this through Roblox website. So I've already downloaded Roblox app. Now once you download Roblox app, what you need to do is over here on search, you can search for Please Donate. But my Please Donate is available right over here. But in your case, if you don't see it, you need to search for it. So click on Please Donate and click on this green button. Once you do that, it's going to take you inside the Please Donate game. Now, as you guys can see, I'm inside the game over here. If I want to make a Please Donate stand, what I need to do is I need to find myself an empty stand, alright? So I'm sorry if my game is lagging, but this is basically my PC running slow. So as you guys can see, first you need to find a stand which is not claimed. So this is a stand which has not been claimed. If any of the stand has any name on it like this, then basically means it has been claimed. So just go to a stand where it says your text here and then hold on E. Once you hold on E, basically all of the thing which you have created is going to be listed over here. And this is called game passes. If you do not know how to create a game passes, you can watch our video on how to create game pass in Roblox to create yourself a game pass, because without creating game pass, you cannot include anything over here, alright? So once you create yourself a game pass, you come over here, click on E, all of your things will be listed over here automatically. So yeah, that is basically how we guys can play Please Donate Roblox game, just like this. It's that simple. Just create yourself a game pass, enter the game, press E, and your game pass will automatically be included over here. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, have a nice day.